Hook up, girl. Don't do the most. Oh, my people, no be small team. Don't bring me come here today. Hey, this one I never heard that before. Although it dey happen, and I know say worst cases don't happen than this one too, but I beg. To me, now new thing. And I no go believe wetin happen now. This girl, she go turn in client's bed to swimming pool. Hey! After they when they finish, una suppose understand now all those runs wey they do. When they finish, and they should say the girl just decide say okay, make her rest more, then I go house. My people now, so from rest more now, so he rest plenty. Come see how he full the bed with peace. Hey! Now so the guy don't vex. Start the beat and start they throw and things anyhow. I bring them come on our side so that una go, you understand, use una own eye see. I mean una no to say I don't bring another one again. I beg, join me, make we watch the video.
Don't toss to the bed, Nisha. This one para me.
Toss to the bed.
With the Nisha. Oji, stop, leave am. You don't piss, don't it talk. If you told where the money, Oti here, I be swimming pool, Igbesa. Oti.
I beg, I know they laugh the game. Now the whole situation, I they laugh. You understand? Because every day when they wake up, my people, either one politician don't do something, government don't do something, police don't do something. This one now go agree with me. Say no be only politicians be our problem. No, just picture this thing now. When I just watch, picture them. Imagine now. You go do your work. You finish your work. You say you go wait small. I don't know whether they agree on a sleepover. You understand? No, just imagine. The good money way they tell your clients now, baby, come and swim. Hey, no, this is an embarrassment. I don't dey think and since. No, I no go understand. Like I dey try. Wetin if it cause this thing? I be the girl dey sick. Now, no see some kind sicknesses they bring this kind of thing. Like person fit just dey piece anyhow. You no go even know where they come from. Maybe na health problem. But that guy said you wicked. I don't understand why you they throw stone the get things instead of you to just at least know now at least pity and small. Maybe this thing a health issue. Some people they like that. But my question now, I be my problem right now be say if anyhow maybe she no know. But if truly this girl knows saying that this thing they worry her, maybe she don't notice say they happen on and on. Why you go do sleepover? Why you go do sleepover if you know say this thing they worry you? You've been experiencing it. You go just they do. I beg, I don't know how they call them. I know they inside that business. But you go do the way. I beg, I don't even they encourage this kind of thing. But I just they talk. You understand? You know this is your work, and you know you are sick. Then you supposed balance and think and strategy. That's how you go do your work. Because I'm not just understand. Now you don't go disgrace yourself, disgrace the guy joy. Now they don't put her everywhere. When I see I don't bring my own too. So then I go So people even they tell me say man Aproko, you sure say you dey very sure. Say no be squared, this guy just squared where the guy no know. I say but the guy himself talking. Say na I mean, of an experience this thing. I bet nobody lie. No, see if you lie there. I mean, of an experience this thing, you dey sleep. You can't dey dream say you dey toilet. I know how anybody lie to me. I don't go tell now whether it happened to me. I beg. Maybe matter end for that side. But I dey believe say maybe she dey sleep. he come dey dream say he dey toilet, you understand? Maybe I don't know, I dey try look for excuse for the girl because I even dey feel for am. No, my people, forget say I dey laugh, I dey feel for the girl. This thing na embarrassment, serious one. And I go advise am, madam, if you dey watch me now, because I don't know, maybe you go hospital, abeg who be the people wey dey treat this thing? In case na sickness, you need to find a solution to it. No be because of your runs work, and that thing sef you need to stop am. But they talk am based on future purpose, you understand? This thing dey limit you to many things. Seriously, and the embarrassment sef dey plenty. You go just sometimes if you wan go, even with your fellow girls, una no fit do sleepover, because they go dey laugh. So my people, I say I go bring her out, not be just for una to laugh, but e dey very serious because e fit happen to anybody. And in case you know this very girl wey I dey talk about, biko no advise am so that this thing go stop. Very, very important. Wahala no dey finish for this one wey we come. Abeg, start dey drop the comment for that comment section, and make sure say you share this video. This girl must listen to my voice, and no forget to click on that bell so that you no go miss anything wey I, Madam Aproko, get here for you. Stay tuned for our next story.